what are your thoughts on style of training for people who don't want to be a bodybuilder or powerlifter? Goals are just to recomp, feel better, and be able to go play with their kids without tiring out.
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
Without tiring out. I mean, the best way to train for somebody is the way that they enjoy. So, I used to always make fun of people who would do like Zumba or stuff like that. And if people enjoy it, like my mother-in-law does it, she enjoys it. Obviously, I would encourage somebody to weight train in addition to that. So if somebody wants to play with their kids and be optimal and recomp, that's going to have to involve some sort of weight training. But you can absolutely do that doing a total body workout 3 to 4 days a week where you hit everything. And then maybe you have 1 day of conditioning, and then that would be plenty. If for somebody who wants to do lifestyle training, I would say 3 to 4 days would be optimal for them to strength train for those type of goals. I see it all the time with people who are like, I don't really need a 6-pack. Maybe a 2-pack is cool. I don't want to necessarily have a stereotypical dad bod, but I actually want to be a cool dad and play with my kids, but maybe have some muscles. Yeah, that absolutely they can do that. Diet would be a big part of that too, but you can absolutely train in a way that is enjoyable and you don't have to do body part splits necessarily.
Gil, you agree?
I agree with her 100%. The first point she hit is the key, and I speak about this about nutrition all the time. Adherence is number one. I could tell you here is the scientific proven way for you to increase your goals on a physical level with exercise. And if you absolutely hate it, you maybe last a week or two. If you do something you love, you're probably going to do it for a very long period of time. And doing something is better than doing nothing. So adherence is number one. Therefore, find something you enjoy. I don't care if it's bowling, golf, as Ali would tell you. I mean, I used to make fun of golf. I'm like, that's not a sport. That's like playing chess. And until I went to the driving range and I couldn't move my entire left side of my body the next day. Do something physical. Your body's a machine. It's not designed to sit at a computer all day. Get up and go for a walk. Do anything. Literally just do anything. And play catch with your kids. If you do something physical, when it comes to having more energy and endurance, it comes down to two energy systems, anaerobic and anaerobic. You want more muscular endurance, okay? That's when you're, doing something strenuous. And you want more aerobic endurance. That's the ability to go for a walk or a run or a bike ride or a swim. So exercising those two energy systems, like Ali said, a little bit of weights or any sort of resistance training, your body is a weight in and of itself. Calisthenics, moving your body around, push-ups, pull-ups, anything like that, a few times a week, combined with some low-intensity cardio training. And cardio doesn't mean balls to the wall, gasping for air, laying on my back, sweating. I can go for a 40-minute walk or go hiking in the woods, and my vascular system is going to improve. My oxygenation is going to improve, and it's going to make me less fatigued or tired less quickly when I am playing with my kids or running around kicking a ball. So just move your body and find ways to make it fun.
And now give this video a thumbs up and go watch one of these videos to learn a ton more about TRT and hormone optimization.